Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make sticker for WhatsApp from photos on your iPhone. The first thing you will need to do is open App Store. From here, you're going to type in Sticker Maker and you're going to tap on the first option, Sticker Maker Studio. It's a completely free app. You'll tap on Open. And from here, you'll simply tap on any one of the numbers as you want to fill out the numbers. Then you are going to tap on Gallery. After selecting Gallery, you will choose a photo that you would like to make a sticker from. Then you'll tap on Choose. Then you can tap on Smart Select. Then tap on Add Text. And you can add the text that you would like to use. You can also change the font by tapping on Classic. As you can see right here, there are different fonts that you can use, and you can change the font color. Then you'll tap on the sticky once it is finished. Now you'll tap on Save Sticker in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll tap on Add to WhatsApp in the bottom left hand corner. And it will automatically open WhatsApp, but before doing that, it will show a small video that you can simply tap on Skip Video in the top left hand corner and close out of. Then simply tap on Save. Now that you have saved the sticker, you'll tap on the sticker icon in the right where you normally tap on it in the space bar right here. You'll tap on the sticker icon, and from here you can see your different stickers that you can choose from that you have uploaded, as you can see right there, and you can tap on the one that you want to send. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.